Hey everyone, welcome back to the Dark and Flutter tutorial series. In this video, we are starting a deep dive into null safety, one of the most important features. Today we will learn what is null safety and how to use question mark operator to prevent null errors. Okay, so let's get started. So what is null safety? Before that 2.12, variables could hold null by default based on cost and classes. The rated null button exception. Null safety means that how help you avoid null-related bugs at a compile times. Let's see one example. String name, name, name. So this is another volume example when null safety is not increased in Flutter. That simply we can throw error here because that time not null is completely available. This is one type of old way. Here, name is not initialized, so that does not know what to do. Okay. Now we use question mark operator to make a variable nullable. That means it can hold null. We use the question mark after its data. Okay, so its type is string. Then we use here. See, it's move here to length property. What is considered from here when we run? Okay, so see, it's written now by writing question mark with string data type. We tell that hey, this variable must be null. So maybe it's null or it's string. Okay, so it's null, so it's print null on a output function. But now, if we are trying to access its property, then it's throw error. See, here we can see property length cannot be accessed on string question mark because it is potentially null. Okay, so it's null, then we if it's null, then we cannot use its property. Okay, here is the throw error that question mark string question mark because data type is maybe potentially null. Okay, that's true first data compile time, preventing a crash. So what we can do, we can check here null or not. Simply email not equal null, then else if print name is null. Okay, so what happened here? We must check before access that enforcing this will ensure your app never breaks and here name is null. So it's go to the else part and print name is null. So see name is null. Okay. Now we can also use null awareness operator question mark dot. If you just want to safely access property when it's not null, use the null awareness operator. Okay. We can create some simple example. So get an email equal here we some email demo like ABC. Okay. Okay. Then we print email null operator is then property. Okay. So what happened here is return certain because email is not null. What happened if real time is null value then we can null then print email question mark length C is written null. So what happened here? First email has string value. Okay, so it's print length of email. Second print in email in the agile null, so it's written null. The null awareness checks if email is not null, only then access is property length. Okay, yeah. Now we move to null assertion operator. Okay. So okay, why we use null assertion? So here we see simply simple example string name well that can be printed name null assertion operator dot length. Okay, let's print first. Now what null assertion operators use? They use null assertion after the name to tell that ensure name variable value is not null. Okay, but if we are wrong, okay, here, here we are null because name is null. So what happens? It's throw unhandled exception null check operator is not null. Okay, the program crashes because name is null. What is safe usage of its before check name is not null. Okay, so this is safe use. Okay, use null is only when you already check the variable is or null. Because we check name is not null, then we use null assumption. Okay. Best practices like always check null before using null assumption. Over using null assumption often, it means your design might read defective. Okay. Prefer null awareness operator like question mark dot or default value. Okay. So we see in this video what is null safety, how to use the tag code. Okay. If you have any query, also we can simply use everything in single line like name, question mark, your length, and question mark, your assumption as value. Okay. So here name means that. So what is two time question mark work? Okay. So it's check if before question mark value is null and is print this way. Okay. I hope you understand now that in Flutter. Thank you for watching. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn the bell icon. See you in next video. Thank you.